singing into the holidays. The Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts Singers are spreading some holiday cheer at the Hilton Head Island Early Childhood Center. This audition group, made up of 4th and 5th grade chorus students, are up on stage singing lots of festive songs.
I like to chime in because I thought that it would be really cool that we're singing about bells, and it's just a very happy song.
My favorite song is Christmas Carol. I like this song because it spreads all the feelings. It has a lot of songs in it. It's fun to sing too.
My favorite song was the Hanukkah song because it really was deep and it showed a lot of emotion.
I like Christmas Kumbaya because it was believed to be originated on Hilton Head.
Several of the singers went to school at the Early Childhood Center and are excited to be back, performing for their former teachers and the current students.
I got to see all my old teachers and they said I did wonderful, so I would like to appreciate them, and I just like spreading Christmas spirit.
I got to see my old teachers, and these kids look like they really love the show.
The younger students are really enjoying listening to the lively holiday music.
I like Silver Bells.
I like Jingle Bells.
The chorus performed for about 30 minutes.
It really cheered them up for the holidays and really got them in the holiday spirit.
The Creative Arts Singers will also be spreading holiday joy by performing at some assisted living facilities on the island. At the Hilton Head Island Early Childhood Center, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.